Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying which threads are messed up and why. Gather thread ID, timestamps, and the users involved. Once done, back up everything. Export content, attachments, and metadata, because undo is harder than redo. Make sure to list dependencies like linked posts, comments, bots, or moderation flags so you can address ripple effects. This step prevents surprises during fixes and gives you a recovery point, so you can proceed confidently to hands-on repairs without losing critical context or data. Now you perform the core repairs. Resequence posts into the correct order, fix broken formatting, and reattach files where needed so the conversation reads logically. Next, resolve permission and visibility issues by checking user roles and moderation queues, because incorrect permissions often hide or duplicate posts. Then clean metadata, correct timestamps, ID, and remove duplicates to prevent future indexing problems. As you work, test small changes and confirm results. This reduces the chance of To finish, verify the fixes by running searches, viewing threads as different roles, and testing all links. Confirm replies and formatting display correctly. Once satisfied, communicate changes to affected users and document exactly what you fixed and why, so everyone understands the outcome. Make sure you retain backups and a clear rollback plan with step-by-step undo instructions in case something goes wrong. If issues persist, revert to the backup, then isolate the failure and repeat the targeted repair with adjusted steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.